Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an updated hair dye routine. As you guys can see, my hair is significantly lighter than my last video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this updated tutorial. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you guys would like to see how I achieve this color, then keep on watching the video. Okay guys, so we're jumping right in. Here I have my CLAIROL Professionals Liquid Color in the shade 8 and N. I have my CLAIROL 20 Volume Developer. And I'm just going to take that, I'm going to mix 2 ounces of each in this bowl and just mix it up together. Okay, so this color is going to be for my roots. Normally I would use just a regular box dye that I'm going to apply to my entire head, but this time around I wanted my roots to be like a darkish brown color, and then so it's easier to transition into my highlights and things like that. So yeah, this is going to be for my roots. Okay, once you mix this, it's ready to go. So you want to make sure that you have your hair already sectioned off into 4 sections, as you can see like I have here. So I'm going to be doing section by section. So what I'm doing is just applying it to like the outer base around that section, and then I'm going to go in with the comb on the part of the brush and then just section it off, and then go ahead and apply it in between those parts, if that makes sense. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about in a second. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, I'm parting and then applying that dye to the top parts of my hair. I am going to go back around again once I apply it to my entire head. And yeah, just to make sure I get everything coated, get all of my roots, and I'm not missing anything.
You dodging bullets trying to play me, and I'm left to deal with how you see me.
Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Revlon Frost and Glow, and I've used this one multiple times, so I'm lucky that I found it in the stores today. And this is in the shade Honey. So basically you guys can see that I made a mess right here, but you're just going to take the little packet that it comes with, pour that into the bowl it comes with, and then you're going to use their cream developer that it comes with as well, and you're just going to mix that all together, and it's going to give you the consistency of like pancake mix, and it's going to be blue. So you just want to make sure you have everything all nicely mixed in there together. Alright, so you guys are going to see me using a lot of different methods until I can find what works for me. So first I'm going to be using the weaving method, and then I just stop and then I just go with a brush and try and do like the balayage or balayage, however you say that. But it was kind of hard. So in the end, you guys are going to see me just picking out strands where I want the highlights, and I think that works best with curly hair if you're doing it by yourself, in my opinion, because as you guys can see that it's pretty hard to get the product over your hair evenly, and you kind of have to go in with your hands, for me at least. So yeah, like I said, next time I'm just gonna go ahead and just pick out pieces that I want to be highlighted and just apply the product, because it's easier that way for me. You guys are going to see when I go to the other side of my head how it changes, but I was just kind of going through like some trial and error, trying to see what was the easiest way to apply this highlight to my head. Okay, so this is my hair with all of the product in it, and I'm going to put a cap on my hair and let it sit in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now that I've shampooed, deep conditioned, all that good stuff, this is what it looks like wet, and then this is what it looks like dry.
I
guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!